Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you fantasy story. Are you all ready? I heeded it. Yes. Wow. That's great. Let's begin.
In a dusty attic, Akhil, a 10-year-old boy with messy brown hair and bright blue eyes, cleans with his bouncy golden retriever, Buddy.
Oh, Buddy, look at this compass. It's glowing.
Curious, Akhil and Buddy both touch the compass. Suddenly, it spins wildly and they're swept up in a magical swirl of sparkling lights. Akhil and Buddy land with a soft thump on a rainbow-coloured beach filled with bright mountains and silly forests. A tiny glowing blue fairy wearing a rainbow tracksuit zooms up fluttering sparkling butterfly wings.
Hi, I'm Fizz. Welcome to Magic Island, where movement is magical.
The friends hop into a jungle full of giant rubbery plants that bounce like trampolines. Bouncy lily pads stretch across a bubbling rainbow river. Buddy leaps ahead with wiggly tail while Akhil hesitates. But soon he follows Buddy's lead, growing braver with each jump.
You can do it, Akhil. Just keep bouncing with Buddy.
Sparkling water glitters in the lagoon, where friendly talking fish challenge Akhil and Buddy to a swimming relay.
I'm not great at swimming, Buddy.
Let's breathe like bubbles. In and out. In and out. You can do it.
Buddy shows off his silly doggy paddle. Akhil laughs, tries the breathing, and together they swim, winning by a splash and earning. In the desert, musical sand dunes play happy notes with every step. The challenge is to make a melody by dancing together. Buddy bounces to the beat, Fizz whirls in the air, and Akhil learns simple dance steps. Soon Akhil invents his own silly robot dance.
Great moves, Akhil.
The dunes cheer and a yellow medallion pops up, sparkling in the sun. A glittery mountain rises high, covered in bright fruit-shaped grips. The trio must climb to the top for the next medallion.
I'm tired, Buddy. Maybe we should stop.
Building strength makes every day feel easier. You're stronger than you think.
Buddy keeps climbing, tail wagging. Inspired, Akhil keeps going. At the top, a red medallion shines with energy, and they see all of Magic Island. The final zone. A sparkling, slippery field of ice. Akhil, Buddy and Fizz must race through an obstacle course, sliding and laughing. Akhil leads the way with new confidence. When Fizz slips, Akhil and Buddy rush to help, working as the perfect team.
Thanks, friends. Magic is always more fun with you.
They reach the end, and a purple medallion joins the collection. Get through the portal home. Back in the attic, Akhil and Buddy wonder, was it all a dream? But their glowing wristbands tell the truth. The compass now looks ordinary, covered in tiny magical zone symbols.
Let's go to the park, Buddy. Adventures are better outside.